Hello friends, this is a mobile charger of for all Yamaha bikes. I think it is a common charger. Uh, I have my own Yamaha FZ S version 3.0 2022 model, and I ordered this commodity from online from Yamaha website. This is the genuine mobile charger, and you must use this charger only. And sad it is also sad to say that it is not available in plenty in our service centers, so you have to book online and they will be sending this charger to the showroom, and your amount which you purchased on online will be forwarded to the showroom by the company. So this is the installation procedure, that manual which is given with that charger. This is for R15 bike. So so friends, who have your R15 bike, you can see this manual. This is not for the R15M model. That is the old one model. This manual belongs to that. You can see the instructions. Now let's see that USB charger. See, this is the genuine charger, and you have to purchase the holder in differently. You can use an aftermarket holder that is available in the market. This is the USB port, and another white color port is the female part of that foolproof joint, which you will be connecting to the parking light of that. I have removed it from the point where it was actually connected to that charger. And let's open the front end of that visor. You have to use a 10 mm T for that. Actually, the visor is that visor opens very easily. You have to remove the number plate by removing the 4 bolts, and then 10 mm this T will be used to open it. Then this is the uh, joint of that parking light, which is present the below the headlamp. The headlamp below it is a halogen lamp actually. The normal lamp, not a halogen, actually the normal lamp, and this is of no work. And you can put that charger point directly in it. Both I want to both that light should glow as well as the USB charger should work. So I removed that white color joint from that charger and put their two wires, red and white black color. You have to put that USB charger, USB side of that charger from underneath that visor. There is a open space behind that visor. You can see it under the wiring, and put that USB point through it near the meter console. and then connect both wire to the parking light, because that is a DC source. Parking light is a DC source, and when you switch on the bike, automatically DC source will be coming to that parking point, and you can use USB charger there. After that, I have closed that visor, and these rubber items, you have to just press it through the hole and tight it very lightly, unless it will be coming out again. Just put it like this, and very light way you have to tight those bolts over this